It is 30 minutes away from the garden. Malayo siya. Hala, may elephant. May elephant.
Para akong uminom ng dalandan.
Ay, sakit ha.
Oh?
Breakfast time, guys. Spreads. Merong spread. French toast. Yay. Ay, shimps. May bacon. Ito lagi to. Hindi dito nawawala. Pork ham or chicken ham. Tapos sausage. Pad thai ba to? May pad thai yata sila. Stir-fried cucumber. Cabbage soup. Then we have here the salad. Fruits. And ano to? Ah, yung porridge. Masarap yung porridge nila. Parang sa atin lang. Then you can add more condiments here. Lalo na pag maraming sauces. Breakfast. Plate ni Bapo. Ito yung cabbage with fish balls. French toast. Bacon. I have sunny side up. French toast and bacon. Dito na yung ride namin para sa Chilay Orchid. Binook namin sila sa WhatsApp.
Thank you, sir.
For 1,000, one way. 2 packs na. Guys, naka-Fortuner siya guys. Malaki.
So how long is the drive?
1 hour, 30 minutes.
1 hour 30 minutes. Wow.
1 hour 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Hindi pa natin nabayaran si Kuya.
Thank you. Wow.
What is your reservation name?
Bulan.
Bulan.
Yes. Information sheet for transportation.
Okay, so your room, you have one night stay, right?
Yes.
We have 3 different property: mountain, river, garden. Your room is at the garden property. It is about 300 meters away from here. So we will have free shelter between the location every 30 minutes from 2 p.m. to 9 p.m. That you can feed elephant from your balcony in the morning.
Alright.
It is available 7:30 to 9. So your room number is Lotus 3.
Lotus 3.
Welcome
Okay.
to.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Please enjoy a lot then.
It's good. It's good.
Yeah. Feeding them, learn how to make medicine for elephant and lunch for you.
Guys, dito na kami sa Elephant Sanctuary. Nasa lobby kami. Para siyang, ito yung mountain part niya. May 3 parts daw kasi. May river,
Garden.
may garden, tsaka
Mountain.
mountain. Ito yung mountain kung saan yung
Pinaka front desk nila.
pinaka front desk, tsaka yung restaurant. Dito din yung happy hour kung saan pwede kayong magpakain ng elephants.
Yeah.
Papunta dito, hindi naman sobrang mabato. Paliko-liko na pataas. So, magandang kumuha kayo ng service talaga na alam yung daan. In-introduce din sa amin yung activities, which is hindi pala siya kasama dun sa booking namin. So yung main ano lang talaga namin is we want to wake up with the elephants, which is magagawa natin yun kasi kasama siya sa
Booking namin.
booking namin. So pinili namin is the 8 a.m. time So guys, dito sa mountain area yung ito lang yung restaurant. So if magdi-dinner na kami, we'll have to come back here. It is 30 minutes away from the garden. Malayo siya. Alam, may elephant. May elephant. Wala, alam, may elephant. Ang ganda kasi naglalakad-lakad lang sila.
Oo.
Walang harang, walang ano, walang tali. Ayan o. Na-distract ako. Hala. Ano, may baby. Hala. Tawag siya ng mama niya. Behave daw, babe. Ayan na naman siya. Secluded talaga siya. Sarap mag-relax. I don't know if may ATM or may
Meron daw
tumatanggap sila ng card. Merong card?
Sabi nila kung tumatanggap sila ng card.
Okay.
So, tag dito cash.
Just
So,
to make
though,
sure, dala ka
yun-
ng cash.
May 3% transaction fee or service fee sa card if you're going to use card. Ay, inano ako. Oo, tinubigan niya ako. Ang cute. Hello. Guys, ang kagandahan dito sa Orchid Chilai kasi sanctuary talaga siya ng elephant at hindi sila like sinasaktan para lang magkaroon ng pera, yung ganyan. So, nakakatuwa. Look at this. Free silang naglalakad-lakad dito sa mismong lugar nila sa sanctuary. Enjoy si Ryan kasi yan talaga yung gusto niyang puntahan dito, yung mga elephants. 23 years old?
Babo, babo. Babo. Si Babo. Tinulak pa ako.
Tinulak ka nga niya, mabigat siya.
Kumakain ka dito ng meal nyo. Tapos yan yung view nyo. Diba? So may wifi dito. So you can work. Sa room naman may wifi din. And then walang problem dito yung data. Malakas. We are still waiting for our check-in. Alas 2. Alas 2 yung check-in. Isang oras na lang. And then after check-in, merong happy hour. Siguro balik kami dito. Our lunch. Wala tong rice. Buti na lang nagdagdag na ako. Let's try there. It's good.
Sarap?
Sarap niya sa ano?
Curry? Curry?
Curry. Buti lang may curry si Babo.
Ang init.
Yung curry nila may shrimp in. Price range ng food nila, may mga 180 hanggang 200.
For me, it's reasonable.
Mm.
Kasi nandito ka sa tuktok.
Mhm.
Nasa ano ka, tapos given the serving, malaki dami. Sobrang ubusan, hindi ako nagjo-joke, hindi lang dahil sa ubusan talaga yung room. Nasaktuhan ko lang na meron pang like this last room available. Ito ng room na lang, 5,000 na lang for an overnight stay. Hindi sila
Strictly no riding sila dito.
no riding, hindi sila yung pinapalo para maglakad or like para magpa-picture. Hindi mo sila pipilitin na magpa-picture ka. Kung alis na sila.
Kita mo naman gano'ng ka-spoiled yung bata. Tinulak ba naman ako?
Deserve.
Dito kami ngayon sa lodge waiting for our shuttle going to our room. So, guys, magdala kayo ng mosquito repellent. 50 baht. Kasi nilalamok na kami kanina. Nasa likod sa Okay. Yes.
Okay, I will the man bring for you. Okay, follow me.
Wow.
We don't have lunch and dinner here.
Mm-hmm.
Would you like to go happy hour dinner? You can go to me at the gatehouse, okay? You can go to me. I will call the shuttle for you.
Okay.
We have the bathroom inside for you.
Alright.
Tomorrow morning, the breakfast is here. The elephant
Alright.
Happy hour. 3:30 to 5. Tapos, while drinking, andito yung mga elephants.
Elephant food sir, buy 2 get 1 free. This is a happy hour price.
This is all banana.
Yeah, and sugar cane.
And sugar cane. We'd like to order the...
Yeah, passion fruit gelato.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Apple.
Hello. Hello.
To make me put a verse down, worse now, cause we made up
you don't need to feeling for him.
Thought it wasn't hard for me. It's heartbreak, such a dark.
Kaya. Happy hour. Passion fruit na cocktail. And then, ano yun sa'yo?
Just need a place to
Okay,
hide,
bro.
no, I keep it to my
Ano siya guys? 200 baht.
Dalawa na.
Dalawa na.
So, 100. Para akong uminom ng dalandan. Ay, ang sarap. Gusto ko to. Para siyang spicy margarita. Cheers, cheers. Cheers. Galing na kaming room kanina. Nag-check-in kami ng 2. Tapos nag-take photos and videos lang. And then, ito dahil happy hour, 3 to 5, bumalik kami agad. Pero kailangan kasi mag-shuttle going back here kasi medyo may kalayuan from mountain to the garden. Okay ba siya? Oh my God!
Wala, aray, sakit ah.
Oh? At saka ang gaan. Ayun.
It's okay.
Oh, no, go ahead, go ahead.
No, it's okay. It's fine, it's fine.
You want to? Cool picture, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nalasing kami guys.
Nantok ako dahil sa isang alak lang yun, hindi pa nga
Hindi pa naubos. Tapang. Ang dami ng ano dito, ang dami ng tao. So, nung dumating kami, andito yung elephant na family. Tapos ngayon, ibang batch naman sila. Dalawa na lang sila. Umuwi na yung tatlo. Ito dalawang malalaki. Early dinner, pineapple fried rice, tapos chicken wings and additional rice. Sabi sa'yo, hindi kami pang inuman.
Ang talaga. Uuwi tayong ano. Ito lang. Bayad sila.
Ayo.
Stop?
May baon kaming saging. May bibigay silang 1 basket tomorrow na treats for the elephant, but I think that won't be enough. So yung mga tao dito, tig-isa silang ng bit-bit sila ng basket for tomorrow. Bagay sa kanya, no? Dala niya yung baon namin for the elephants tomorrow. Pabalik na kami ng hotel kasi naantok na kami. Tapos na kami mag-dinner, tapos na kami mag-elephant. Guys, good morning. Andyan na yung elephants. Andun sila. Narinig ko kanina, naglalakad ako dito sa labas. Narinig ko may tumunog sila, elephant.
Super yung ano niya, para siyang batang na dumating yung laruan.
Andun na
Ayun
sila,
na,
palakad na sila.
oo,
Dalawa ba sila? Kasi schedule namin is 8 AM yung schedule namin for the breakfast. And then, it is almost, it's almost 8 na. Yung breakfast namin. And then, sa loob, hindi pa kayo namin na-tour eh. Yung buong balcony ng aming kubo,
Ang laki
aming
niya.
villa. Ang comfy ng bed, ang lambot. Pero this room is only fan lang. Hindi namin alam kung sa iba kung may aircon. But okay naman, hindi naman mainit. Dito. Ala, meron din, babu. Good morning. Saan siya papunta? Hi!
Hey. Set up ko lang ito para maayos. Hello, ito taagod.
Abot niya, punta ka doon. Tago mo doon. Wala, may isa pa.
Basa! Dumiyan ako!
Kunin niya lahat. Wait lang. You must look at all of it. Oo.
Wow, all?
Saan niya gusto na saan? Guys. Go there?
Yes, you can go there.
Hi. Hello. Banana. What's the name?
Okay.
Bon,
let's
bon.
camera together.
Mira, mira.
1, 2, 3.
Mira, mira. Lagi ya. Okay.
Ayun niya.
Yes, sige. Oh.
Sige, hawakan mo. Hawakan mo.
Dami. Ang takaw niya.
Yeah. Yes, one
Yeah,
night
just one
only.
night.
How much you eat?
Oh, 300 kilo per day.
Wow.
Sugar cane, banana, babulis, everything.
Everything.
The sugar cane, the banana, like
Yeah.
like a candy.
How old is he? Is she? She?
Yeah.
A girl.
Female.
Yeah. And how old?
45.
Not like this.
Tingin ko sa kanya. Oo, nakuha niya lahat.
Wow. Yeah, it's like something good thing we buy it yesterday, guys.
Guys, ito yung aftermath ng visit sa elephant.
Alam, nakakalimutan ko.
Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan.
45 years.
45 ba?
45 years na daw, sabi niya, ni Kuya.
Matanda na yun siya. Tapos galing daw siya ng, yung pinapadala sa kanila, sa kanila yung puno. Galing siya sa logging and then riding business.
Parang galing Burma.
Oo.
Sabi.
Burma ba sabi?
Yeah.
So,
Tapos 2 years pa lang yun siya dito nalipat. And then, she walked freely
ang
na,
saya, no?
oo, and then pinapakain ng mga tourists, of
Sayo.
course. Ayun.
Sayo.
Guys, let me show you our breakfast. Aside from the juice and coffee, we have this. Meron tayong scrambled egg, pork barbecue and sticky rice. Ito yung hindi ko pa alam kasi hindi ko pa
Surprise.
napopost. Surprise to. Ayan, I think sana mga kakanin siguro to. And we have fruits as well. And the view. Pork
Pork
barbecue.
barbecue with sticky rice.
Yes.
Name beside Pupu Elephant 150 baht.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Welcome.
Alis ka na dun. Okay. Naka. Kasi may pagkain ka kasi dyan. Pagkain mo. Kunin mo.
Let's get a view.
Bigyan mo na lang ng ano. Pasunurin mo. Hati tayo sa isa. Ayaw niya umalis. Kasi itong tao na tong isa dito, hindi marunong magpaalis ng aso. Gusto mo sabaw?
Okay guys, before we check out, yung room tour muna namin kayo kasi kahapon nung nag-check-in kami, super excited kami para ilagay lang yung gamit and then we went back to the happy hour. So, let me just show you. This is our room. This is only 5,000 pesos on Klook. Masi-search nyo yung Chai Lai Orchid and you can use my code KimBulanClook for a discount. This is our room. A big bed. Super comfy. Tingnan nyo naman. Ayan, tapos eto yung kabuuan niya, merong table, tapos meron ding window dito. And you know what guys, may electricity dito, may working wifi, malakas yung wifi nila dito. Tapos maraming outlets dito sa side na to. On that side, meron din dito sa mismong pintuan. Ito yung main door natin. Yan, tapos may pinaka-balcony dito. This is the balcony. Yan. And look at that view. I know, may mga baka pa nga doon. Tapos, mga palayan na yan dyan. Medyo magulo na yung aming kwarto dahil nga gabi na kami dumating and dinatulog na kami agad. So, may dry rack dito and super laki ng bathroom. Yan yung pinaka-bath. May hot shower na sobrang init din. Bidet yung ating bowl. So that's pretty much it. And you know what guys, napakalakas ng signal dito sa Wi-Fi. And your data, if you are using eSIM, it's working well.
We are checking out. We're just waiting for the free shuttle kasi ihahatid kami sa reception area kung saan kami pipick upin ng service papuntang CP. So, we booked the same service around 1,000 baht din. Hello. Dito na. Maalog yung daan. Ito yung view. going to the reception area. Hello. For pickup? Can I see elephant one more time?
Oh, okay.
For the last time. Alis na kami. Siguro darating kami doon ng lunch time. So, lunch kami, tas iikot before check-in and best overnight stay
Yeah.
in Chiang Mai. Okay na yung one night stay is super sulit unless gusto mong gumawa ng activities with them,
Yeah.
which will cost you more, but
Up to
Maganda.
you. Up to
Maganda.
you, yeah. But for us, it's a good tawag dito, overnight stay.
tsaka pinakamaganda talaga is yung proceeds is papunta sa charity nila.
Oo. And they're helping women na parang parang niligtas nila from the, alam mo yun, yung mga slavery.
Yun ba yun?
Parang tawag dito?
Trafficking ba yan?
Human trafficking, ganyan. So, hindi sila mga taga Thailand or mga taga... Saan ba tayo?
Thank you!
Thank you!
This is our hotel. May sarili siyang restaurant and then waiting area, then tours, travel and tours, information booth, activities, and this is the front desk. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, it's big one.
Mangga, saksak mo yung ano. Ganda. We have here 2 single beds. And then, ay, ang galing. Laki ng TV. May desk, coffee and tea, and drinking water. Malaki yung drinking water nila. May fridge, laundry bag, may tao. May isa pang table dito. Ang laki ng window. Yan na, palabas na kami kasi inulan. Ito yung labas ng hotel. Ay, may ATM dyan sa tawid, oh. Guys, dito na tayo sa Khao Soi Phu Nhai. Khao Soi Fortress. Hello, can I get this one?
No more.
Oh, no more. This.
Okay.
Okay. Two pork. Pork. Yes. Okay. One milk tea. That's all. Yan guys. Simple lang. Simple setup. Ang laki kasi ng reviews nila sa Google. So ito yung outdoor seating lang siya. Electric fan. Pero malamig kasi maulan ngayon. Perfect yung order namin. So, thank you. Ito toppings natin to. Lagyan natin ng lime.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day, I'm right. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something.
For the price, sarap na. We paid 165, 2 drinks, at tapos 2,000.
Into a better time. Let's go. All sing your high
Sing lang kami ng order.
roller coaster of life. It's time
Ito
to
lang. Kaya pala yung hang-hang.
on the road.
Perfect. Let's see. Sakto lang pala yung ganitong kadami. Tapos maraming ice. Just to balance the spiciness of
And it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again.
Solid. Sarap. Sarap, sulit. Ayan. Ito yung katabing temple. Try nating puntahan. Baka free entrance lang siya. Guys, while walking, nadaanan namin tong nakita namin sa TikTok.
It's like a European vibe type of hotel and slash cafe.
So, 1 order per person. And then, it's 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Here's our order. It's caramel with cookie, tapos dirty espresso. Small pa to sa kinain namin. 100 baht each. I think you're paying for the aesthetics ng coffee shop.